In this video, I am going to be using products that I love. On occasions, I don't like to try new makeup, mostly because I don't know how it's gonna act. If she's gonna snitch on me, if she's gonna be iffy, if she's not gonna get along with the in-laws. I want her to be introduced to the family before I take her out, you know. For that reason, I just love sticking to things I know will work for my skin tone, won't cause flashback. You know, it's not the time to try something new. So these products are products you've been seeing all over my channel. I don't variate my products so much, but this will be basically just my favorites. I just thought I'd mention that. And to start off, I'm going to be priming my face with a Black Radiance True Complexion Primer. I love this primer so much. It's my favorite. It's just amazing and mattifying. I love it so much. I do put a lot on though, so don't be like me. After putting my primer on, I'm going to go in with my RCMA powder and set my primer everywhere. So I'm really going in with this powder and setting my primer, mostly because I don't want my oils coming to say hi during the day or night. I want to stay matte for as long as I can. I'm going to take my L'Oreal True Match foundation, and this is in Cappuccino, and I'm just going to apply this all over my face with a brush. I'm going in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm just going to use this to highlight my face. Where I want the light to hit and hit perfectly, I'm gonna go on top with my Amande concealer. I wanted to say foundation, but it's a concealer from NARS, as I mentioned. Then I'm going to take my black opal stick in black walnut, and I'm just going to use this to contour. If it would come out, that would be great. I'm now going to go in with a damp beauty blender and blend all our concealer and contour in. I forgot to put some concealer on my lids because I am going to go in with eyeshadow today, obviously. So I probably should do that. You got to let it go. You got to let it go. You got to let it go. I'm now going to go in with my foundation brush to blend in my contour, mostly because I want it to look very natural, and this already has my shade, so it won't be as harsh as it would be if I just went in with a brush that just had nothing on it. So I'm just going to blend this in. That's still looking a bit too harsh for my liking, so I'm going to go in with the same beauty blender I used to blend everything and blend everything. So I'm just pushing in the product everywhere. Moving on to setting my face, I'm going to use the Sacha Buttercup powder and set my concealer. That way it stays in place. I'm not going to bake. I'm just going to push the product into my skin. So I'm going to take a little bit and dab the excess. Dab. Do people still do that? No? Cringy? I know. And with a tiny amount on my beauty blender, I'm just going to push that into my skin. Set my concealer on my eye as well. Okay, I may have gone a bit too ham on that side, so just gonna push the product in. in with a bit of that Sacha Buttercup powder and define my contour line without having my hair in my face. Just a tad bit. That way I'm looking sharp and snatched. Then I'm going to rub that off because I don't want to get a big white line beneath that. Now I'm going to move on to my eyes, and I'm going to take the Shaaanxo palette, and using this brownish red color, I'm going to place that color directly above my crease. That way it just makes everything blend together. Next, I'm going to go into my BH Day Night palette, and I'm going to use this reddish color, and I'm going to place that directly on my crease. Taking a clean brush, I'm just going to blend those two colors together. That way there's no harsh line between them. And now finally for my lid, I'm actually going to take a lipstick. This is the same lipstick I'm going to be wearing on my lips. It's this beautiful Milibachi shade in number 7, and I'm just going to place it. It's so gorgeous, right? I'm going to place it directly onto my lid and spread it out with my finger. So it's a mattifying lipstick, so I need to work very fast. And blend that in. Look at that. Ugh. It's so beautiful, honestly. This is goals right here. Oh, I got it on my okay. That wasn't the plan, but it's fine. Next, I'm taking my supersizer mascara from CoverGirl, and I'm going to coat my lashes in this baby. Get them ready for my false lashes. Now I'm going to put on my lashes, and we can finish the rest of this video, and I can show you my outfit. I don't know what I'm going to do with my hair though, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, let's put on lashes and move on. I'm now going to take my Sleek Contour and Highlight Kit, and I'm going to use that to set my contour. As you know, you have to set powder. No, you have to set cream products with a powder, and that's what I'm basically doing. Then I'm going to take some of that contour shade into my finger and contour my nose a bit, because who doesn't want a snatched nose like always? But I'm going to do it very slightly. I'll try. Be slight, so can't promise anything. So what I normally do to make my nose contour not be so harsh, I take my beauty blender with the excess powder on it, and I just push it into the sides of my nose, or basically just on top of it, and this just makes it look so natural, in my opinion. Well, not really natural, but it just makes it look less harsh, if you know what I'm saying. So basically just push it into the skin. I'm now going to take my Fit Me powder in coconut, and I'm just going to set everything. You got to let it go. I'm now going to take my Block Up blush in number 7, and using this I'm going to add a bit more color to my face, a bit more of a pinkish reddish color, because I do feel like I'm looking a bit too contoured at the moment. So I'm just going to really go in, like just swirl your brush in there and get all the good stuff. Tap off the excess and place it on your cheekbones. I'm now going to set my face with the E.L.F. Makeup Mist and Set Spray. Oh yeah. What I'm going to do now is go really ham on my highlighter. I just want to glow. I want to be beautifully dewy, okay? So I'm going to take my Kali Bible palette, and using this beautiful golden shade, I always reach for it. I just think it complements darker skin tones better. If it's gold, it just looks good, you know. Golden is beautiful on melanin. So I'm just gonna take that and I'm gonna really go in. So final touch, and that's my Milabachi lipstick in number 7. Remember, Beauty Click has an offer on these lipsticks, and now you can get them for 20% off. And I have a special discount code that gets you 10% extra, so you basically get 30% off. I highly recommend number 7. As you guys can tell, it's definitely a favorite, so go grab it. I'm gonna apply that on my lips, obviously. So I'm now going to quickly do my hair, put on my outfit, and we're gonna be done with this video. So let's get to the next part because this has taken ages. So honestly, this hair is a bit difficult to style, especially because it's a very defined middle part. So I'm just gonna try to do a side swoop and hope that it works out. So comb the hair and comb it in one direction basically. You got to let it go. You got to. So basically that's that. I think I'm gonna put a bobby pin behind my ear, that way it stays like that. So I'm genuinely unsure of how long this side swoop will last because it just keeps trying to come back to its original position. I may need to find a permanent way to make it stay like this the whole night. But basically this is my finished makeup look and hair look, and now I'm going to show you my outfit and we will be done with this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you next time.